Have you ever asked yourself what lies beyond our solar system? Beyond the stars we can see in the night sky, there are planets that could be similar to ours. Welcome to the thrilling world of exoplanets, where scientists are searching for life as we know it, or maybe even life as we've never imagined. Today, we're going on a journey to one of the most thrilling places discovered by astronomers, Proxima Centauri b. Is this exoplanet our greatest hope for discovering extraterrestrial life? Let's find out. Humans have gazed at the stars for centuries and simply asked one question: are we alone in the universe? When our technology became better, searching for other planets outside our solar system became more than a mere dream. Exoplanets, they are referred to as, are planets that revolve around stars other than the Sun. Discovering Earth-like exoplanets, the possibility of sustaining life on them, has been a long-held dream for scientists and people everywhere. In the past few decades, thousands of exoplanets have been discovered by astronomers. A few of those planets lie in the so-called habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to potentially exist. Water, of course, is important for life, and its presence makes these worlds leading candidates for the search for life. But it's not easy to detect Earth-like planets. The vastness of the universe and the difficulty of looking so far away are the biggest hurdle. To close the gap, researchers use a variety of techniques to observe and analyze exoplanets, from the transit method to direct imaging and gravitational microlensing. Today let's take a close-up look at one particular exoplanet that has scientists buzzing: Proxima Centauri b. Roughly more than 4 light-years from Earth, Proxima Centauri b is the closest known exoplanet to our solar system. It orbits around Proxima Centauri, the closest star to the Sun, a red dwarf that's much cooler and dimmer than our Sun. Proxima Centauri b was discovered in 2016 using the radial velocity method, a technique for detecting exoplanets by observing the faint wobble of a star caused by an orbiting planet's gravity. Proxima b is the size of Earth and is orbiting inside the habitable region of its star, making it a candidate for hosting life. But what's so exciting about Proxima Centauri b isn't that it's near or that it's big. It's the possibility that this planet could have the requirements to harbor life. With liquid water potentially on its surface, the question of questions is, could life be on Proxima Centauri b? Before we proceed to ask whether life could exist on Proxima Centauri b, we must understand the challenges of exoplanet detection and characterization. Even though Proxima Centauri b is fairly close to our planet, it was not straightforward to identify. The methods we use to discover exoplanets have a tendency to rely on detecting small movements or brightness changes, but such signals are extremely feeble and difficult to distinguish from noise. The transit method, the most widely used method of exoplanet detection, involves watching a star dim as a planet passes in front of it. The technique requires extremely precise measurements and is best suited for planets passing between us and their star straight on. For Proxima Centauri b, scientists use the radial velocity method, which detects the slight gravitational effects the planet has on its parent star. But even once we discover a planet, it's another task to describe it. While we can quantify the presence of exoplanets, acquiring vast amounts of data about their atmosphere, surface temperature, and potential for life is far harder. Most exoplanets, like Proxima Centauri b, are far enough away that we can't accurately study them with telescopes available now. One of the key determinants of whether a planet has any chance of being able to harbor life is where it's located in the habitable zone. That's the region around a star where the conditions might be just so right for liquid water to exist. Not too hot and not too cold. Proxima Centauri b is located in this zone around its parent star, but there are some major caveats. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf, a much lower temperature version of our Sun. This makes the habitable region around the star much closer to the star. In fact, Proxima Centauri b orbits its star in just 11.2 Earth days. This close proximity means the planet is subjected to intense radiation and stellar flares, which would affect its life viability. In addition, a close orbit may indicate that Proxima Centauri b is tidally locked, meaning that one side of the planet is forever facing the star and the other side in permanent darkness. This would introduce extreme temperature gradients and conditions for life, but also possibilities for new kinds of habitats. Now, the million-dollar question everyone wants to know: is there life on Proxima Centauri b? While the discovery of a potentially habitable exoplanet is exciting, we must remember that habitability is not necessarily life. Proxima Centauri b's conditions are extreme yet not fully explained. Scientists are particularly interested in the planet's atmosphere. If Proxima Centauri b has a thick, protective atmosphere, it could shield the surface from poisonous radiation and create a more stable environment for liquid water to survive. but if the planet's atmosphere is too tenuous or volatile, then it could prevent life as we know it from existing. Furthermore, the radiation from Proxima Centauri could wear away the planet's atmosphere over time and render it difficult for life to survive. But there are also other factors to consider. For example, the planet could have subsurface or underground oceans or habitats where life has a means of escaping the extreme surface conditions. To see if Proxima Centauri b actually holds life, we must continue to reach out and monitor this remote planet. While today's telescopes can't provide the answers to all, future missions and technology will hopefully enable us to change that. For instance, the James Webb Space Telescope, which was launched in December 2021, will be capable of studying the atmospheres of faraway exoplanets in unprecedented detail. This may enable scientists to learn more about the makeup of Proxima Centauri b's atmosphere and if it contains ingredients for life. Along with that, ventures like Breakthrough Starshot, which will dispatch light-powered small spacecraft to Proxima Centauri within a few decades, can perhaps learn us more about this interesting planet up close. Even though we still don't have definitive proof that life on Proxima Centauri b exists, the search for life beyond Earth is more exciting than ever. As our technology advances and we discover more about exoplanets, one day we may finally be able to determine, are we truly alone in the universe? Thanks for coming along with us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this adventure, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting vids on looking for life in space. See you next time. Keep looking up.